We be sharpening chisels.
All right, it's another day at Uncle Bob's
And check it out.
machine shop. Oh, he's got safety glasses on. Woo!
Try this at home.
That was about worn out. How's it look to you? How's it feel? Does it cut? Or will it shave?
It's hot. It feels hot.
It's hot. It better be hot.
It ain't perfect, but it's better than it was.
Right on. Let's feel that. It's got a little bit of a lip on it there
It will come off as soon as you use it.
on wood. Yeah, yeah. We should probably use a little. I'll take it and refine it on a stone, wet stone.
How's that?
Well, that's
It's
perfect
not
now.
wet.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. That actually did the trick right there. All right, another day at Uncle Bob's. Tuning up some chisels here.
Before, after.
Peace.
Now, when we're not doing sharpening work, our main thing, we do hobby work. This is just the fun part here.
Looks like a lot of fun.
You get a lot of fun per dollar. This is a lot of fun.
It looks like a lot of fun. That looks like a lot of dollar there too.
Fun for dollars.